Ngayon, idadagdag ko lang to sa aking video. Since na madadaanan din lang namin yung tinatawag nilang area dito na sa Chilliwack. Part pa rin siya ng British Columbia. Itong Chilliwack kasi, ito Chilliwack Park ang nakikita natin ngayon. Itong Chilliwack kasi is sikat lalo na pag yung salmon season, lalo na itong Weather Bridge tapos yung Weather River. Kasi dito yung parabang destinasyon ng mga salmon na nagbabalik sa hatchery. May hatchery somewhere dito sa bandang sa taas pa ng Weather. Dito nagbabalik yung mga salmon na galing pa sa dagat. Medyo malayo-layo ito sa dagat. Naakyat ng mga salmon. So ganun yung life cycle ng mga salmon. Born sila sa pangalan to sa ilog. Ilog Tabang. Tapos mamimisa sila dito. Tapos habang lumalaki sila, nagpapababa sila ng dagat. No, kung medyo kaya na nila yung malaki na sila, kaya na nilang parang lumangoy ba, yung kung magsarili na. Ayun, pumupunta sila ng dagat and nag-stay sila ng 4 years doon. Tapos yun. After 4 years, babalik sila sa pinanggalingan nila, which is dito. The ministry
Been here before, remember?
No.
When the Aruba people were here and we were looking and I was like, oh, I'm gonna go whitewater rafting, right?
Oh, it just shows what's hatchery and what's wild.
Oh,
I already know this.
so what does that mean?
If there's a fin here,
Yes.
it means wild.
So,
But if it's the fin here is cut,
right.
it came from the hatchery.
So you can. So yeah.
Hatchery could be
You can
take home.
Oh,
But for wild,
No.
you have to bring it back.
Oh, gotcha.
You have to release it back.
Oh.
So yan. Yan na pinakita nung pamangkin ko yung advisory na paano ma-identify ang wild salmon at saka yung hatchery salmon. Yung sa may likod nila, yung kalimutan ko ang ano sa may dorsal fin, back dorsal fin yata yun tawag doon. Kinakat na ng hatchery yun, kaya pag pinakawalan sa ilog hanggang lumaki sila hindi natutubo yung back dorsal fin nila. Kaya ma-identify mo kung galing sa hatchery. At yung galing sa hatchery, yun yung pwede natin iuwi pag nahuli mo. Pag may license ka. Pero pag yung nahuli mo mayroong yung back dorsal fin hindi naputol, ay dapat mong ibalik. And of course, makakasuhan ka kung ibabiolate mo yung rule na yan. Yan, so ito. Ang isang mga kwentuhan ng mga kasama nating namimingwit dito. Napupuno daw to pag may salmon run. Itong ilog na to napupuno ito ng mga nanghuhuli ng salmon. And hindi lang tong area na to. Bali itong buong ilog na to, pwede kang tumaas up river ka, magpupunta ng low river. Meron mga salmon to. And I don't know if that's fish right there.
Angler?
Is it? Oh, it's moving. Oh no, it's just a shadow or a plastic.
I don't see.
I don't know because that's fish.
Oh, I think it's just a shadow.
Oh, it's just a rock.
Yeah, I think it's a rock down there.
Yeah.
I see it.
Something like moving, but this area right here is filled with anglers if it's the salmon time. From this bridge going down and going up, full of fishermen. And ito po yung sikat na
Does someone have
Weather Bridge, Weather
Does
River.
someone have
Yeah.
a line up there?
I just don't know what
Yellow?
for. Yun yung bridge. Galing kami dyan kanina. Nagsasurvey kami. And we have some, I think, anglers. And may mga namimingwit.
Oh, this guy gets called to the damn dock.
Yun yung bridge. Yan yung famous Weather Bridge. Nasa 1910. Oh. looks like that before. Made out of wood. Yeah, I guess it's metal.
Metal wood.
Yeah. Yan, yung area na yan, napupuno yan ng mga anglers hanggang dito. There's no salmon yet.
That's a very strong river.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Actually,
that's the place where we saw the people like in the boat in their little tubings,
oh really?
and they were going down, but we were way down there.
Oh,
Not-
we
this
weren't
is-
here, but we were in another. Yeah,
No, it's the same.
same one.
Yeah, but we were all the way down there, not here. This is where most people are.
So if they're gonna, so the fishermen, where do they go? Like here?
Yeah.
And they
That yeah. That
Okay.
beach right there, that would be full of anglers.
Man,
and
can you
probably
imagine if
this
I
I-
lost my paddleboard here. Let's go. You're gonna get pulled with the current.
yeah.
So my stick.
It's like, okay, Joanne, you do your paddleboard. I'll wait for you downstream.
I'll wait,
You
I'll
drive,
go down.
yeah, you go drive downstream and then wait for you on there paddleboarding.
Is there anything here at this time?
Just no, maybe char or chub. Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure, but you have also coho right now. Coho salmon, spring salmon.
Can't even see. There's nothing there.
Yeah, there's nothing. They have this dark top, which camouflages them from the water, so it's hard to see. But when they move, you could see them. But I don't think there's much today. Yan na po ang famous na Feather Bridge. Yan. Kinekwento ng mga kasamahan natin to. Napupuno ito. Yan. So, at least ngayon, maraming salamat dito sa mga sponsor natin na napunta tayo ng Bluey Lake at napuntahan na rin natin ang Feather Bridge for the first time kong mapunta dito. So, ayan.
2 places.
Yeah. Ito ba? Dagdag natin sa ating Feather Bridge na hindi discover na isa sa mga bucket list natin na pupuntahan sana. Anyway, ewan ko kung makakabalik pa tayo dito sa Salmon Run. Ayan, may mga namimingit. Ang gamit nila, floater rig. Tapos meron yatang fly sa dulo. Ayun, pinapalutang nila sa tubig. Ayan. Ito, yung balitado na laging napupuntahan ito pag salmon season na. Yung salmon run ang tawag nila. Yung mangingitlog yung mga salmon dito sa ilog. Kung tatanungin nyo ako gaano kalayo ito sa dagat, yung biyahe dito papunta dito siguro mga 2 hours away from Vancouver. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Tingnan natin yung mga nila, binabato nitong mga puti na to. Zoom lang natin. Hindi makita yung nila, floater nila. Did you touch the water?
Yeah,
It's
it's really
cold. Hindi natin makita yung float nila. Ayan na. Ayan, magbabato ulit yan. Ayan, binato doon, ayun na siya. Ayan, pag hinila ng isda yan, talagang tuloy-tuloy na pupunta sa ilalim. Pero pag gano'n na nasa ibabaw lang, wala pang huli yan. Ayan, tagdag natin sa ating weather video. Now you got a weather video. Hindi, weather yung pangalan ng place. May lakas ng araw, ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Ayan.